How to set up your plant stand and light kits. Let's take a quick look at what comes in the box. Alright, let's get started with the installation. Step 1. Step 2. Step 3. Step 4. Step 5. Step 6. Step 7. Step 8. That's it. Your setup is complete and ready to grow. Pair it with the GGS power strip for smart timer control and automatic lighting schedules. Hope this guide helped you set up your grow area with ease. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your fellow growers. Happy growing and see you in the next one.